Kerala High Court, in its latest ruling, stated that people paying for sex in brothels induce prostitution and can be prosecuted under the Immoral Traffic Act. People who pay for sexual services in brothels can be prosecuted under the Immoral Traffic Prevention Act, 1956 ITP Act, ruled the Kerala High Court on Wednesday. It reasoned that such payments amount to inducing prostitution. This ruling came from a case linked to a 2021 police raid in Perorkad, Thiruvathapuram. Justice V. G. Arun said that sex workers should not be treated as commodition, and those seeking their services are not merely customers but active participants in exploitation. A person availing the services of a sex worker in a brothel cannot be called a customer. The payment made serves as an inducement, forcing the sex worker to act against their will, often under conditions or trafficking in coercion, said the court. The petitioner was found with a woman in one room and another man with a woman in a separate room. Investigations revealed that two individuals were managing the brothel, procuring women for prostitution, and collecting payments. While the brothel operators faced charges under Sections 3 and 4 of the ITP Act running a brothel and living off the earnings of prostitution, the petitioner was also charged under Section 51D inducing a person into prostitution and Section 7 engaging in prostitution in or near public places. The petitioner challenged the charges, arguing that he was merely a customer and his actions didn't amount to managing or running prostitution. He cited previous rulings to argue that paying for such services didn't constitute inducement. The prosecution, however, argued that the question of liability should be determined based on the trial court's findings. After reviewing both sides, the court clarified that while Sections 3 and 4 apply to brothel operators, seeking sexual services in a brothel constitutes inducement under Section 51D. If such a person is called a customer, it undermines the very purpose of the Act, which is to prevent human trafficking and protect those coerced into prostitution, the court noted. The proceedings against the petitioner under Sections 3 and 4 were dismissed, but the prosecution under Sections 51D and 7 of the ITP Act